Welcome back to our gardening channel. Today, we're going to show you how to propagate store-bought cilantro stems in water. It is an easy and fun way to get more cilantro for your kitchen garden without spending extra money. Let's get started. So, first things first, let's gather our materials. You'll need 1. A bunch of fresh store-bought cilantro. 2. A sharp pair of scissors or pruning shears, and in my case, I'm just using a little small kitchen knife. 3. A clear glass or jar so you can see what's going on in the water. Which leads me to 4, water. And then last but not least, a grow light or a shiny window. Start by selecting healthy stems from your cilantro bunch. Look for stems that are green and vibrant. Using your scissors, cut the stems just below the node. The node is where the leaves join the stem, and it's where the new roots will form. Now fill your glass or your jar with water and place the cut ends of the stem into the water. Ensure that the nodes are submerged, but keep the leaves above the water to prevent rotting. Make sure to change the water every couple of days. Also, make sure to change the water every couple of days to keep it fresh and prevent the growth of algae or bacteria. After about a week, you should start to see roots forming from the nodes. Place your glass in a sunny spot or under a grow light. Cilantro loves light, so make sure it gets at least 6 to 8 hours of light each day. You'll notice the stems will start growing new leaves as they root. Once your cilantro stems have developed a healthy root system, you can either keep them in water or transplant them into soil for continued growth. To transplant, prepare a pot with well-drained soil, make a small hole, and gently place the root stem into the soil. Water the soil lightly and place the pot in a sunny spot. And that's it! You have successfully propagated cilantro from store-bought stems. Enjoy your fresh, homegrown cilantro in all your favorite dishes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!